Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's Jeff here. Well, it's good morning for me in Bali. Hope you're all doing well. Perhaps it's midnight or early morning or even evening for you wherever you are. It looks like at the moment it's just going to be me, but I'm going to continue anyway. What I may as well do, I'll do a review of S&P 500, NAS, and also AUDUSD. What happened yesterday? So let's share my screen right now. Yep. Um, First of all, AUD USD. This is a chart that I'm keeping here at the moment. I'm on the, I may as well go to the 4 hour, ladies and gentlemen. Now, this one is for Mr. Dalton. Mr. Dalton, do you see with FXCM, this here does not break that there. Owanda, I believe you said it does, but with FXCM, it does not. So I'd recommend you stick with this. Absolutely. Or find whatever one it is closest to your broker. So you see here, we have this banker scandal. Draw that along there, and you can quite easily see, ladies and gentlemen, how that would drop down nicely and drop down to our other zone. Now, the interesting thing, how do we create these zones the way I've done them? I will be giving this away shortly when people are on. I want to do this live so things don't get lost, ladies and gentlemen. Yep, let's come down to even the 1 hour time frame. You can see here we're looking for that point. That is the banker's candle. That one there's when we start tightening it all up. Yeah, it doesn't once go beyond that, and depending on what you look at the market, you can see how it just drops out. But let's go down to the 15-minute time frame, ladies and gentlemen. Let's look at it a bit tighter. Let's look at things a little bit tighter. 15-minute time frame. Now, I know Tony does the 15-minute time frame, so let's look at this right now. So what it does, you've drawn your zone, it leaves it, and then comes back in. Stop loss above here, and depending on what you do, ladies and gentlemen, you just take your entry. Or if you wish, you wait for some kind of market structure shift, as I call it, or a break of structure. There, set the layer, it breaks out, comes back in, and hallelujah, bang. If you really wanted to be really precise, I'm sure you could get in on the retest with that fair value gap with that candle there, which comes down, comes back up, and away you go. Zero drawdown. Let me get that a bit straighter, ladies and gentlemen. Market structure shift there, comes down and back up. You see this here, got that there. There's, oh, let me just check. Can't even see it. It's a little liquidity void right in there. That wick grabs that liquidity void, bang, drops like a stone. If you miss that, ladies and gentlemen, it comes down, comes back up. Fair value gap here. This is the 15-minute, Tony. Okay, the 15-minute. Yeah, comes down 50%, down. Comes up 50%, comes down. Why did it stop there? Oh, we got a new gap there. Yeah, that's what happened on the Friday, as you can see that. Coming back up to this one here, what happened yesterday? Mark this along here on the 15-minute. We mark this up from the 4 hour. I could do it to the 15-minute. You can see there that you could draw 50%, which I've drawn. Hits 50%, drops off. Thank you very much, and hits a zone down here. Or you can see that's the target there, or there. But this is a zone I've drawn in using the daily time frame. There's people that have been following these sessions. Let's down to the 5-minute time frame. Yep, goes into there. The wick goes above there, but the bodies respect the 50%. So the wick goes above, but the bodies respect the 50%. And away you go. As long as you see it, respect. At some point, you can say, I'm going to get in. You might want to wait one cut. It's up to your stop loss above there. Boom. Smallest viable trade. Any of these black candles, or that one, or the top of this range here. Again, see how it hits that, rejects it, rejects it. Yeah, so that's your exit there, ladies and gentlemen. Don't be scared. Just put it there. Bring your stop loss down nice and tight. And if it goes up, well, hallelujah. What would that have been? What would that have been? So did that there. You're either going to get in there. Yeah, you're either going to get in there, either 50%, either in there, or in there. It's up to you. So let's see, worst case scenario, we did that there. Stop loss. Definitely put it above there. Absolutely. It's got to be a bit above there. So let's look at these targets. Yeah, that black candle there. 1.34%. Some people may say, I'm happy with that. I've got my thing. I'm done. This is the 5-minute time frame, ladies and gentlemen. 5-minute candles. The other option was down to the target here, the top of that block there. You see 3.25%. Now, I was on a live last night doing a free one, and this is where the price was. And we stopped the session. I think the price was coming down there, and I posted in the group. Very nice indeed. Bang. Yes. Hope that's useful. Let me have a quick look at. Let me have a quick look at futures, ladies and gentlemen. For the people who trade futures, index futures, I'm going to go to the Nasdaq first of all for the people who trade NAS in the group. Yeah, so that was amazing. You missed that amazing trade. Well done, everybody, for that great trade. Oh, Mr. Tony Pender's in the house.